I'm very bored today. Wow. You guys in the back? Wait a minute, what's going on? Where are we? Huh. Does this place look familiar? Oh no, it's Ponyville. Yes, a portal works. I know. That's why I invented it. Rarity? That's right, fools. I'm your boss battle. And after I defeat you, I will have more wood. Why? Because I don't know. I'm gonna eat your eggs and put them on my plate. Not gonna happen. You're right. But prepare to die, birds. Alright, I guess we would attack. And you have to save her. I will take care of this fatty. Oink! You can't defeat me. I defeated this already.
No, Hank.
You miss. You won't defeat me. I am Rarity. You know what? I'm really tired of you, Rarity. Die. Oh, crap. Boom! You still cannot defeat me. Bubble, squish, splat.
No, Hank.
Weed.
Nothing for you.
Go, Power Rangers! I didn't know I had the sword. Go, Rangers to forever! Take this, you
Hank,
jerk!
no.
You killed me! That's weird. You saved me! How think you destroyed that annoying Twilight? No problem. I guess we have to boss battle ponies. Let's go. Ow.